the order which the person before me ordered. Let's say. What?
Guys, don't unsubscribe listening to their jokes.
I don't like potatoes.
One chicken.
Someone took your car.
Yeah. Hi guys, it's Shakshi and welcome to my channel. We are taking all the safety and everything, by the way. If you're the first, let me introduce her because I always forget to introduce guests in my
I was just sitting
video.
over here.
She's Riya Shetty.
Hi.
She is my very, very, very dear friend.
We're not cousins.
Just because she's Shetty, she's not related to
Yeah.
me. She's an amazing friend, and today, by the topic you all already know, we're doing the order what the person in front of us ordered. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, I think I've seen your previous video. I've seen it.
I'm sure most of you all know. If you all don't know, you basically go to any food place and then you order what the person आपके पहले person ने क्या order किया, you just repeat the same order. You don't know उन्होंने क्या order किया, क्या होने वाला. It could be anything you hate, any new thing that you can eat. They could have ordered for 20,000 people or just 2 people or whatever. It's all a surprise. That video did very well actually. So I thought let me do a post-lockdown edition after lockdown because it will be very interesting to know like what people are ordering,
eating now after lockdown.
what they're craving.
I hope they're not vegetarians. I want to eat like some good non-veg
Yeah,
food
this
today.
is one good thing. Like, I'm also non-vegetarian. Last time I did it with Nandita.
She was vegetarian.
So she couldn't eat everything.
I love non-veg.
So last time we started off with McDonald's. I was like, today, this time, let me not start with McDonald's. Let me start with Starbucks. So we're going to Starbucks now. Starbucks is expensive, man. Let's hope people, a gang of like 20-30 people have not called for a coffee all at once. Some of our assistant
Coffee
might be like,
people.
just pack 20 this.
Yeah, that happens
10
a lot.
and all. I'll be like,
Yeah.
oh.
Shakshi's in for a treat then.
And a huge hole in my wallet.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're gonna go to Starbucks first. Let's see what we do. It's gonna be so embarrassing. I forgot how embarrassing this is, dude. I have to go in. I have to tell them,
Can you
give
be
me
one
what
last person?
and they just be like,
What?
Why? Do you not know what to order? Oh yeah, they'll think you don't know. You've never been to Starbucks before.
yeah. Being in Mumbai, you don't have a lot of drive-thrus, so you have to go inside the place and do it, and then it gets super awkward. I did it last time also. If you all have not checked it out, just go and check it out.
Put an awkward count, Nietzsche. The amount of times you're saying awkward, we can go ting ting.
Do you want to say something?
Peace. Excited for Starbucks and all the food that I'm gonna get. Hope it's non-veg and not fries. I don't like potatoes. Oh my god, I just realized I think people are gonna hate on me. Because who doesn't like potatoes?
Do you eat fries with ketchup or like?
No, I can't eat plain fries at all. I don't
Dude,
eat
what the hell?
potatoes.
Same. Okay, guys, let's
go.
just shut up and
now,
go inside and let my awkward scenes begin now.
Yes, awkward count.
Hi. So I want the order which the person before me ordered. Like say,
What the fuck was that?
the order which the person before me ordered.
Say what?
The previous order before me. Just repeat it. What was it? सिर्फ आपको स्टेप चाहिए. मेरे को वो चाहिए जो मेरे पहले जिस पर्सन ने डूबी ऑर्डर किया वो रिपीट कर. जो आपका जो इससे पहले जो ऑर्डर किया है वो रिपीट करना है. I'm waiting for my order now. I have no idea what she ordered because I asked her not to like disclose it. So.
Hi guys, so we got back from Starbucks. So she's given us this. I don't know what's inside. It again was very awkward.
She kept tripping inside.
It was awkward again for me to, and there was a huge queue, bro. There were like 5-6 people behind us, and in front of everyone. I'm like, can you give me what the person on the order? And she's like,
So
what?
confused. She was like, what? Why?
And then I said again and again and again, and she understood. So you want what the person in front of before? Wo chahiye? I'm like, हाँ वो चाहिए, वो चाहिए. So I like, don't tell me what it is. Finally, we're gonna unwrap it. So here it is. First, ooh, this
I love
looks
the
something
cup.
pretty sick.
Oh my God.
We have something, a Christmassy drink.
Coolest cup.
Let me show you all. The top thing also looks pretty sick. It gives full-on Christmas vibes. Like there's this white, I think whipped cream. There's some red sauce. There's chocolate sauce. So it's like pretty fancy. It's melted and all right now because outside it's hot.
Oh,
And we
hot.
took a takeaway because doing in there was like, I had already become like the queen of awkwardness inside. So I didn't want to like do more. And we have a box. I'm assuming there's obviously a food item inside. We don't know what it is. So first let's try the drink and see how it is.
Should we not show them?
First, let's try the drink and give your views first. I'm gonna let my guest try it first.
Oh my god, guest.
My guest.
Feel like a celebrity today. It's nice. It is so nice.
Really?
It's like really chocolatey, and I feel like it's very similar to Java chip. If you've ever had Java chip, but it's really tasty. I like it.
Yeah, this is very similar to Java
It's
chip.
very similar to minus the chips. There are no chocolate chips in it, but it's very tasty.
It's dark chocolatey, which is
Yeah, it's dark
what I
chocolate.
love about this because I like food. I don't like extremely sweet things. Let's taste the
Whipped cream. That's what looks good. Did they give us spoons?
Yeah, they did.
Oh, sick.
So I'm gonna take like a big scoop of everything whatever's there. So you can see there's I see 3 colors: red, white, and chocolate. So
I get a fork.
it's yum.
Dude, it's like raspberry whipped cream.
Yeah, it's raspberry. I
Oh
think
my
that
god, that's
red-
tasty. We should have gotten a whole thing with just the whipped cream, like the raspberry whipped cream. Forget the freaking
It's
drink.
yum,
This
though.
is so tasty.
this combination of whipped cream is killer. I love it.
Oh my god. It also has crumbs, biscuit crumbs on top of it. Oh,
Yeah,
shit, we
I
should have
just
gotten-
got some.
Yeah. Wow. Bro, basically the people in front of us had good taste. They know their coffees.
The drink is Crunchy Red Hat Mocha Frappe. Okay, the drink was a success. Now let's see what is in the food item in here. Okay, inside we have a pastry. The chocolate pastry. This one is the Dutch truffle. Do you know how to pronounce this? Gâteau.
Ghetto, something like that.
Dutch
We're
truffle
not
gâteau.
French, sorry.
But bro, a pastry for freaking $295, almost $300. Insane. Starbucks is such a loot, man. But it's okay. Let's take a bite of this together and then let's give the review.
Honestly, not a
Regular.
fan. Like, it's very average. Like, it's very chocolatey. It's damn chocolatey. So if you
It's
like
like a regular chocolate cake,
yeah,
yeah.
it's like a very regular chocolate.
You have to
cake.
pay
$300 for one freaking
4
slice.
into 4x the amount just to get this.
It is very soft, but wow, I feel like a food critic. My dreams have come true.
Guys, I forgot to tell you all, subscribe to the video and hit the bell icon because I'm putting a huge hole in my wallet today for you guys to get entertained. So least y'all can do is subscribe. So we're gonna finish up with this. I think the drink is also pretty big. Just in case
I'm
if
not a
we
morning
get
person.
hungry, we'll go somewhere else. Or else we will catch you guys directly during lunchtime. Till then, bye! Hi guys!
Free plug.
Okay, yeah, you wanna talk about your business?
Not that is
What about my business?
Her business.
We all
Everyone
have
has a
businesses.
Guys,
We're all
all my friends do
entrepreneurs.
business. All my friends are entrepreneurs and stuff. Yeah.
Guys,
TRP
follow
for TRP.
Sakshi.
TRP.
Or don't.
Sakshi X TRP. Subscribe.
Okay guys, so we're chilling in Katos. We're gonna chill here for a bit and then we're gonna continue with the video. We're gonna go to the lunch place where we're all
I'm
gonna
hungry
eat.
now.
So I'll catch you all when we go and head out for lunch. मेरे पहले जो ऑर्डर था ना वो रिपीट करना है तो आपको पता होगा ना मुझे नहीं पता
कैसे मालूम आपको ऑर्डर
देख लो ना आप स्क्रीन में आ जाएगा आपको
स्क्रीन में कुछ नहीं आ रहा
A few moments later.
हाँ आया है
आया ठीक है Okay guys, so we got our order. It looks like a huge order and the funny part is कि पहले they are like क्या था क्या
Okay, seriously, no. So tell them about your order.
Yeah.
मैकडॉनल्ड्स वाले ने शॉर्मा दिया.
First when we went over there, he's like what order? क्या order? हमको क्या पता? हमने आपको ही पता होगा आपके screen में. We don't know what's inside. So let's check it out. Something is leaking and stuff. Okay, there's a lot of things
Oh my
inside.
god, something is leaking.
Oh my god.
Ew.
We have something in this. We have something
Previous order
in
was
this.
also leaked only, I guess.
Then we have something in this. We have something in this. Then we have something in this also. There's so many things over here. Okay guys, so the total order of this is $9.95. We have chicken shawarma, chicken tikka, 2 chicken shawarmas.
Inclusive of GST.
We have 2 chicken shawarma, we have chicken tikka and we have shan chicken.
Someone took your car.
Shut up.
You know what you are? You know what you are? You're a clown.
So we have shan chicken, we have chicken tikka and we have chicken shawarma. We have the
Oh,
pita.
pita.
We have the pita bread.
Wow.
Dude, this looks so yum. This is chicken tikka, guys.
Remember, I was wishing I hope we get non-veg food.
This is, I think this is Shan chicken. This, I think you're supposed to have it with chicken
Pita
tikka.
bread.
I will show you all everything properly, like, guys. And we have cold drinks also. They were kind enough to order cold drinks. So I'm not letting him drink.
I will drink.
He was drinking the thumbs up and I'm like, so with this, I think chicken tikka, this is Shan chicken, we have the pita bread and we have the shawarmas over here. Now let's start eating, guys.
Finally.
Dude, have they given us spoons? They're not. Okay, sorry. Give your honest reactions to everything, guys, and try and fit in the frame. Everyone. And not kick me out of the frame.
Ooh, this looks interesting.
The Shan chicken is yum.
Yeah, the Shan chicken is really good.
I'm trying the chicken tikka.
Look at him being a food blogger.
Oh. What's happening to you, bro? Whoever plays that order, whoever plays that order, bro, you rock. If you're a girl, then you're not my bro.
If she's a girl, I hope she's... I was gonna say, I hope she's hot. But then why am I saying that? Boys should say that.
Now I'm opening the chicken shawarma. Bro, I love Carter Blue shawarma. I'm taking a bite of the shawarma. It's gonna be good as it is. So.
Bro, this is so tasty, by the way, for real.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Bro, Carter's Blue ka shawarma yaar, too good. Try. Carter's Blue shawarma is so good. Oh my god, I missed eating food outside other than just home food.
We're all
Yum.
so hungry. We've been shooting all day. We're gonna bounce on all of this. But there's something very, very, very exciting that we decided for dinner. There are gonna be some fun activities also. So stay tuned. We'll catch you guys then. Hi guys, so right now we pulled over for 145. My friends are in the other car, so the whole idea is we'll go there. And it's not like a fast food place, but it's a restaurant obviously, like Bandra 145. So we're going to go to a table, and that table, whatever that table ordered before us, repeat that. That's something exciting, and there are a lot of games in 145, like they have pool and stuff. So we're planning to play that, so it's going to be pretty exciting, so let's go. We're at 145. Hi, this is the table we chose. What do you think of people before us? Bro, if it's a gang of like 10, 12 people.
We're gonna have a buffet over here then.
If the table before us ordered like 10, 20 people, then there's gonna be even a bigger hole in my wallet. I'm scared.
He's not letting me play.
Abhishek, let us play. This guy is behaving like a 2-year-old, not letting others play. Playing some pool, guys. Me and Adil are a team and Riya and Abhishek are a team. Me and Adil are gonna win clearly. Like clearly. One more.
Nice one. Try. Good try.
Nice one.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying.
Follow here.
Me and Adil won the game, by the way. Riya, how do you feel after losing?
After winning, you mean? My team won.
Me and Adil won.
She's lying.
She and Abhishek lost.
Where's the proof?
They trust me, my audience trust me. Okay, ये टेबल में इसके पहले जो ऑर्डर था वो आपको रिपीट करना है.
ऑलरेडी मैं स्क्रीन में चेक करके मैं बता रहा ऑलरेडी चेक करके तो पहले भी मैंने किया.
अच्छा हाँ. Cool. Okay guys, so by the way, 145 also serves alcohol. So I have told him like whatever, if there's alcohol to avoid it. So yeah, don't come at me in the comments saying 145 so alcohol, or if there was alcohol. So I told him if there's alcohol, if there was any alcohol, not to bring that to our table. Okay guys, so here is all the food that the people before us ordered. So this looks so good. What the hell? This is the Ferrero Freak Shake. Yum, love it. These are the chicken cigar rolls that they ordered, and these are loaded nachos. I love loaded nachos also. I'm super excited. I've never tried this. This is gonna be kind of exciting. So I'm gonna try it substage very fast and tell you all how it is. So first the Freak Shake. This tastes good. This tastes like a regular Ferrero shake. Really, really rich and very yummy. Love this. Oh my god, this is yum. Not all the places have really good loaded nachos, but this one is epic. Now let's see what this is. I think this is supposed to go with this. It's got a chicken filling. No, yummy. I think they have put the chicken tikka filling inside. So me and my friends are going to finish all of this and catch you guys.
Put your hair in the food. Put it. Because you want to eat your hair.
What a huggu.
Guys, don't unsubscribe listening to their jokes.
This is good. So guys, I got this 145 liner. It's so brown and like the pigmentation is crazy. Can you all see it?
Everything is good. I'm happy with what the table in front of us ordered. Good job.
Good job.
So guys, we played lots of pool. We were chilling and eating food slowly around because that time we were all like really full, so we didn't finish all the food together. I dropped my friend and all, and now y'all can see my battery is like drained. This video literally took my entire day, so please subscribe and hit on the bell icon and like this video and share it, because oh my god, we worked so hard for this and I spent so much money to make this video happen. So yeah, you guys know what you all have to do. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna go home, freshen up and crash. So yeah, give me ideas for my next video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುವ ಭಾಷೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುವ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ.